Stanford University research proves, mentality really does affect drug efficacy. Does the attitude to treatment affect the outcome? Recently, researchers at Stanford University found that simple psychological interventions are enough to affect anxiety about illness. And the better the mentality, the better the treatment effect. The study recruited 50 children diagnosed with peanut allergy. Over the course of 24 weeks, each child gradually increased his or her daily intake of peanuts. The 50 families in the study were randomly divided into two groups and given instructions about symptoms and drug use, such as learning to distinguish between general symptoms and potentially severe ones, and when to contact a doctor, call emergency services or get an adrenaline injection to save your life. The only difference between the two groups was, one group was told the treatment could have serious side effects. The other group was told about side effects or signs of immune desensitization, suggesting the treatment was effective. The results showed that the treatment effect of the second group was significantly better than that of the first group. Study leader Alicia Crum, principal investigator at the Stanford Psychosomatic Laboratory. This study suggests that simple psychological interventions can affect people's perceptions of health and anxiety. But it needs to be tested in more large studies. If you liked this video, share the love and give it a thumbs up. Visit link in description below and you get more.